Vocabulary by topic. Daily life in a city. In today's quiz, you'll challenge yourself with a practical vocabulary used in daily life. Let's begin. Sidewalk is a path for pedestrians. A crosswalk is a safe place for people to cross the street. You stop your car at a parking meter to pay for parking. A fire hydrant is used for putting out fires. A manhole is used for underground access. You can lock your bicycle to a bike rack. Easy access for people with disabilities. A trash can is used to store clean water. You wait for public transport at a bus stop. A street lamp helps people. See at night. A pedestrian signal tells drivers when to stop. You can buy flowers at a flower shop. A detour means a different route due to a problem. A cable car is a type of public transportation. You can catch a train underground in the subway. A traffic light controls vehicles and traffic flow. An intersection is where two or more roads meet. Taxis usually wait at a taxi stand. A bench is used for sitting. A newsstand sells newspapers and magazines. If you enjoyed this quiz, subscribe for more practical English content. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.